Hey everybody, Kim here with Little Biz Resources, and today let's look at, is affiliate marketing legit? And then I'm going to talk a little bit about why I like affiliate marketing. Of course, I suggest others get started with it as well. So I decided to share my reasons because I was looking up for the topic. I was like, ooh, topic, affiliate marketing day, what should I talk about? And I have a list of stuff, but I was like, let's see what's going on right now. What's trending? So I went to Google Trends. This was just a little while ago. And look, is affiliate marketing legit is a breakout. And I thought that was kind of interesting because I don't know why people are asking that. Why are people asking that? So I thought, you know what? Maybe I should share why I like affiliate marketing and see what others think. So why do you think it's not legit? Right? When I first got started in affiliate marketing years ago, it was definitely sketchy. I'm not going to tell. It was crazy, right? You had programs that were being promoted by people who would shut them down immediately after launch. They'd take the money and run with it. There's a couple of products that I remember buying one that I promoted that thankfully nobody bought. But in fact, I don't think I promoted it because it was sketchy, right? And so I purchased it and I contacted them like once a month trying to get them to get it to work, and they kept telling me it's not working. And I finally had to file a PayPal claim because they would never get it working. And when I asked for a refund, they're like, sorry, it's past the refund period. And I'm like, but you've never had the program working, right? So that was several years ago. So it's changed a lot since then. And by the way, PayPal will always take the customer side if something like that happens. So it's just something to keep in mind, that it's like a lot of things have been put in place, a lot of things have changed over the years. So I'm curious to know why everybody thinks, or why there's so many searches for, is affiliate marketing legit? So what experience have you had that makes you think it's not legit? Right? Are you one of those that's searching that? And you can share that here in this video in the Little Biz Resources Facebook group, where you can come live on this channel on Thursdays and you can, ask questions and tell us there. I'll put that information in the description. So now let's hop into my reasons. Reason number one, I like helping people. I love sharing information about products I like, especially if it can help people. So now my focus is on testing and sharing information about products. So when I say products, it's usually software, because I really like software. And then I like to help people figure out ways to use the software. So an example of that is like Appmize, right? I mean, I'm probably not going to use it near as much as other people, but I really like the program. And so I'll go in there and figure things out and think of different strategies and everything else, of course, for my clients and for people who are interested in it. So I promote the product because I like it and I use it and I think it's useful and will help people. So I feel I provide value when I help connect people with products that help them build a business or improve their current business, right? If I can help you make money, or if I can help you automate a process, or I can help you, save time, whatever it is, if it can help you do something like that, then I feel like it's worth sharing that product or that solution. So reason number two, people are going to be paying for the product no matter what, right? If they're going to buy it, they're paying for it, obviously. And if I'm the one that's sharing the information that helps them make that decision, I feel comfortable earning the commission. And I feel like you should too. And for those of you who have never been salespeople, I'm going to talk about this soon in the next slide, but that's how sales works, right? If you make the sale, you make the commission. If somebody else makes the sale, they make the commission. Now, for about 80% or more of the products, the price of the product stays the same. So the price of whatever product you're promoting typically stays the same, regardless of the customer purchasing through an affiliate link like yours or straight from the vendor, right? Every now and again, a vendor might offer a discount to their customers, to their existing customers, but that's separate from what I'm talking about. This would be like if they were to go to, www.vendorsite.com and buy it straight from the vendor and they've never been a customer for them. It's usually the same price going straight to them or going through an affiliate. Now, sometimes, and this is always nice, affiliates get to offer something special, right? So think about this. I just said I talked about how I like helping people. What if you can get somebody a discount on a product that they need or they want? Right? The vendor's not offering the discount, but because you're an affiliate of the product, you can offer something special, like a free trial that they normally don't get, extended trial periods, possibly, that maybe they normally get like a 7-day trial and you're like, oh, hey, I can negotiate a 30-day trial, whatever that is. Now, sometimes you can't as an affiliate, but like I said, not all of them are like that. But I have a couple where it's like they get a discount when they sign up through the vendor, but if they go through an affiliate link, they get double the discount, right? So it's kind of cool because you, as an affiliate, you get that opportunity to help people and connect people with that. It's not all the time, but it's a useful strategy and something that I enjoy being part of affiliate marketing. Now, reason number 3. It's like being a commission salesperson without the actual employment. I want you to understand you're not employed when you're an affiliate. Now, a true sales position, when you're employed, you might get benefits and bonuses. That just depends on the industry and everything else. But you typically have a minimum sales requirement, right? If you don't make X amount of sales within X amount of days, you go on probation. If you don't make X amount of sales within X amount of days, you get fired. That's pretty much the way it goes, right? That's sales. They require people to make sales if they're salespeople, and they don't want to keep them on staff and keep the resources dedicated to them if they're not making sales. As an affiliate, you're making money off the sales generated through your link, but there is no risk of you getting fired for not making a minimum number of sales. Now, you can still get fired if you do something wrong, so don't be a bad guy there and spam people or otherwise violate the rules. The rules are set up in advance. Make sure you read them, right? It's not hard. Affiliate marketing is pretty standard nowadays. That I say that there is one platform that's a little sketchy, but for the most part, if you're on JVZoo, you're on ClickBank, you're on, doing any of the high ticket affiliate programs that we recommend, you're going to be following the similar rules. Don't buy through your own link. Don't spam people. Don't, if they ask to unsubscribe, make sure you unsubscribe them, stuff like that. Now, one thing that I will say about a salesperson is that a lot of companies and a lot of sales positions have commission caps where they'll still require them to continue selling, but they cap their commissions, which means they can only make, let's say, $20,000 in a month or something, right? And that sounds like a lot, except what if you could make more, right? And it literally, with affiliate marketing, you can make as much as you want. And even if there is a cap on a product, you're not restricted to selling just what products are offered from one vendor, right? Because in this case, you're not employed by them, so you can promote whatever you want. You get to pick what you want to promote, and you get to promote it. So that's what, to me, I'm like, hey, I get to do what I want. I like that. All right, so reason number 4, it's fun for me. I do enjoy connecting with people and sharing information. So that's why I have a Facebook group, right? I like people to go in and ask questions. I did not realize how hard it was going to be to get people to ask questions and stay positive, right? So I am a little sensitive, and yes, sometimes people hurt my feelings. In fact, probably more often than not. I have more people who are willing to give me advice, that unsolicited advice, and tell me how I need to do things than say something positive. I don't know why. It's like this world is turned around and everybody thinks that they are helping people by being critical. I don't get it. I don't understand it, but whatever. But I had a guy that I thought I was nice to and helpful. I mean, I took a lot of time to talk to him and help him make a decision. He bought a product. Then he watched one of my YouTube videos and decided he didn't like some comment I made, and he felt that it was political or whatever. And he made a huge tirade about it, was really, really mean. And then went and got a refund on the product he purchased, and then unsubscribed. And then it was horrible. I'm like, why? Why would you do this? But some people are jerks, and you're just going to need to accept that. And if you decide to build a, following and stuff like I do, I don't know, learn how to blacklist for sure. Cause I mean, he keeps subscribing to stuff and I'm like, I'm not emailing you. What the heck? I'm not going to get another tirade back about what a horrible person, horrible human being I am, because I'm trying to help people. So yeah, it happens. And but it is fun. It's fun to me for the most part. I get some bad people like that, but for the most part, there's a lot of people in our group, especially in our e-commerce people. They're always fun because they're always looking for different ways to promote their e-commerce products, and they're creative and they've got passion. They're passionate about their ideas, and it's just a lot of fun to interact with those kinds of people. And so for me, I do have fun and I enjoy affiliate marketing because we can both commiserate when something goes wrong and we have to figure out a solution, and we can both, rejoice when we do find that solution. So I really do like that part of it. Reason number 5. Now this, of course, I'm not going to say it's my favorite reason because I still do it even if I don't make money. But reason number 5, and probably the biggest reason that most people like, is you make a lot of money. right? So I only recently, and I say recently as in I'm still not really doing this, but started to promote more. So I'm promoting more products. I'm getting more organized and everything. I have so many products I can promote. But, I want to focus on the ones that I think are most useful. And so it takes some time to weed through those. And it's not 100% of my focus, right? I'm more interested in helping people than I am in making money. So I might go a month before I even look at affiliate marketing. I'm more focused on the content to get people to the point where, hey, this is useful, right? So to deliver that content and then slip in the resources. And if they decide they like them, I make money. I am not hardcore type A personality when it comes to that. I hope that people will be nice enough to purchase through me when they're there and they won't shop around for bonuses or whatever, and that they, find my information valuable when they purchase through me. However, I make enough to make it worthwhile to keep going, right? And understandably, if you're watching this, you're going to probably need a different amount of money than I do and somebody else for, everything. But think about this. Could you make a difference with your life if you made a couple of sales a month and made $1,500 each month? What about $2,500 a month or $5,000 a month? Or even more, right? That potential is what makes it worth promoting. And I'm going to give you an example. So here's an example of commissions. Now, this is high ticket affiliate marketing for those who are new to affiliate marketing. Not everybody likes to do high ticket affiliate marketing. I think it's a good plan, but I didn't start with that, right? So normally we don't get to see the sales of other affiliates, right? I don't get to see it. I actually usually have to calculate it based on emails they send us to try to motivate us to sell more. And I'm like, all right, that top affiliate's making at least this much. Now, this one isn't as high as one of my other examples that I do, but I wanted to give you a very realistic and recent example. So this was very recent. This promotion closed, last month, 2-3 weeks ago, maybe. The program sold for $2,500 and commissions were 50%. So a single sale generates the affiliate $1,250. I should say at least, because I think they had a payment plan and it's a little bit higher on that one, but we'll just go with this one. Now the top seller generated 452 sales. Okay. And this is for a new program promoted basically to a new audience, as far as I can tell. I've never heard of it before. And so I was surprised at how well it did. But this is just one of them, by the way. But the top affiliate did 452 sales. So 452 times $1,250 is $565,000 over a 10-day sales period. Now, I'm going to tell you now that's not average. Clearly, this affiliate has a massive list and plenty of resources. And I actually know that, I don't personally know them, but I know of the affiliate. And it's actually a team and they've got people that help them. So it helped promote and everything. So it's not like it was one person that did that. But still, there's some potential there, right? So maybe you don't do $565,000, but what's 10 sales over 10 days, right? $12,000 there. And that's not too shabby. So that's something to consider, is that you can make a lot of money. Now, next steps. If you're completely new to affiliate marketing, we do actually have a free course, and I'm going to put the link in the description for you. Let me know what you think makes affiliate marketing not legit. I honestly, when I saw that, I was very, very surprised, because I don't know why. I guess I've been in it long enough now that maybe I'm just blinded to it, but I would love to hear why you think affiliate marketing is not legit. And please be nice and don't be like, just be nice about it. Just tell me what you generally think. You don't have to be specific about a specific program or something, because that's not all affiliate marketing then. So if you searched that, if that was something or something similar to that and you found us because of that, then let me know what you were thinking. Like what promoted you to ask that? Was it just, hey, you saw somebody, or, what was it? And then ask questions. Even if you think it's legit or not legit, if you have questions, ask questions. You can hop into Little Biz Resources Facebook group. You can ask on this video, or you can come live on Thursdays here on this channel where we do a live Q&A. And if you like this content, please hit the like button and help me spread this content to more people. And I thank you for watching.